Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello friends, hello teachers. Let me introduce myself. My name is Elsa Karina Asahara and I'm from 6th ICT. Today I will present my career project. The title is Learn to be Democratic through Simultaneous Election in 2024. Background. A country must fulfill certain conditions to become a recognized nation. Some of these conditions are having a sovereign territory, having a basis of the state, having a leader, having citizens, and having a flag. After Indonesia gained its 78th independence, it will be the second time for the country to hold the simultaneous election. The simultaneous election is mandated by the Constitutional Court decision. This election must be conducted directly, publicly, freely, secretly, honestly, and fairly. Based on my observation during the 2024 election process, there are several shortcomings, like the excessive burden of the police station officer and the big number of ballot papers. Problem formulation. 1. How to carry out simultaneous election directly, publicly, freely, secretly, honestly, and fairly. 2. What recommendation can be made based on the observation during the 2024 election process? Aims and objective of the project. 1. To know how to carry out simultaneous election directly, publicly, freely, secretly, honestly, and fairly. 2. To know what recommendation can be made based on the observation during the 2024 election process. This research uses qualitative methods involving observation and document analysis with words and images to collect and analyze data in humanities and social science. This is my project design. Theoretical learning is when someone changes behavior by gaining knowledge and skills through studying, experience, and engaging in practical activities. Democracy is a form of government where citizens influence laws and policies, either directly or through representative election, like citizens choose a leader or representative through voting, ensuring a representative and accountable government. This is it. How to carry out simultaneous election directly, publicly, freely, secretly, and honestly and fairly. The 2024 election in Indonesia utilized an open proportional system, which means the voters can directly vote for the candidates, not through the political parties. This election followed the Pancasila democracy in the reform manner. The election must be adhered to the principle of good, bad, and purity, meaning they must direct, public, free, secret, honest, and fair. What recommendation can be made based on the observation during the 2024 election process? The 2024 election still had problems like the excessive burden of the police station officer that can lead to death and the big number of red papers that can make confused for the older voters. To improve the next election in 2029, can do by reduce the workload of the polling station officer and simplify the voting process. Conclusion. In Indonesia, the election must meet the standard of fair and European, meaning they must be direct, public, free, secure, honest, and fair. Simultaneous election demonstrate commitment to the Pancasila in the reform era. The commission of the 2024 election, but still hasn't solved all problems because still there is the post-election disputes. Recommendation for improve the next election are simplify the voting process, reduce the workload of polling station officer, distribute logistic or religion, and preventing post-election lawsuits. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. Based on the background, why you choose this title?
Because this title explain about how to make election directly, publicly, freely, secretly, honestly, and fairly.
What do you know about direct? The general election should be done by Google. What do you know about direct?
Directly means the election must be conducted directly and the voters must vote its candidate directly, not through representatives.
Directly how? Come.
Yeah.
Do you watch the general election this year? Come to the place TPS. Yeah? And you know, right? So it means that you know. The people come there and they vote to swing to them. I understand. Okay. What the lesson you take from this project?
We must be fair and honest, and also the election must be conducted with fairness and honest in order all the votes can be
Okay, so I just take a look for the conclusion. Should be similar with the question. How many questions we have? Two. So the conclusion should be two, depends on the question. Okay? Because conclusion is answer